हेलो एवरीवन, मैं असिस्टेंट प्रोफेसर राधा तिवारी जेएस कॉलेज ऑफ कॉमर्स वर्धा के लर्निंग प्लेटफॉर्म पे आप सभी का स्वागत करती हूँ। स्टूडेंट्स, आज के इस वीडियो में हम डिस्कस करने वाले हैं लोन्स टू डायरेक्टर्स के बारे में। सो अगर लोन्स टू डायरेक्टर्स इस पॉइंट को समझना है तो इस पॉइंट को समझने के लिए यहाँ तीन अलग अलग जिसको हम बोलेंगे कि एस्पेक्ट्स है, तीन अलग अलग जिसको हम बोल सकते हैं घटक है जिसके आधार पे हमें लोन्स टू डायरेक्टर्स समझना है। सो कंपनीज एक्ट 2013 में न्यूली अमेंडमेंट किया गया था जब 2013 के अंतर्गत। सो वहाँ पे सेक्शन 185 जो ऑलरेडी एग्जिस्टेंस में था कंपनीज एक्ट 1956 में, बट उसमें जो नैरो कंसेप्ट लिए गए थे या जो अनइलेबरेटेड कंसेप्ट थे उसको 2013 में यहाँ पर फुल्ली इलेबरेट करके यहाँ पे फुल प्रेजेंटेशन ऑफ सेक्शन 185 किया गया, जिस सेक्शन 185 के अंतर्गत ही मीन्स आफ्टर अमेंडमेंट जो प्रोहिबिशंस या जिसको हम रिस्ट्रिक्शंस कहते हैं लोन या गारंटी के ऊपर किन व्यक्तियों पे पर्टिकुलर एक प्रोहिबिशन लगाया गया, इसका आज हमें यहाँ पे अध्ययन करना है। साथ ही साथ फिर अब ये जो प्रोहिबिटिंग एरियाज है या प्रोहिबिटिंग पर्सन्स है, इनमें से एक्सेप्शनल कैटेगरीज कौन सी होगी, इसमें से जिसको हम बोलेंगे कि एक ऑड मैन आउट वाली सिचुएशन जो होती है वो कौन सा होगा, तो ऐसे एक्सेप्शनल केसेस भी आज हम यहाँ पे डिस्कस करेंगे। देन लास्ट पॉइंट ऑफ डिस्कशन इज पनिशमेंट। मीन्स यहाँ पे अगर गिल्टी पर्सन्स है, लेंडिंग कंपनी गिल्टी पाई जाती है, जो अमाउंट रिसीव करने वाली कंपनी है, ऐसे अगर मतलब यहाँ पे अलग अलग क्राइटेरियाज है तो उस क्राइटेरियाज के हिसाब से पनिशेबल यहाँ पे प्रोविजन या पनिशमेंट की प्रोविजन निर्धारित की गई है, ये भी हमें आज यहाँ पे सीखना है। तो शुरू करते हैं हमारा फर्स्ट पॉइंट, प्रोहिबिशन ऑन लोन और गारंटी। सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, लेंडिंग ऑफ मनी बाय अ कंपनी टू इट्स डायरेक्टर or to any person in whom the company in whom the director is interested is strictly regulated by the provision of this act and the rules made thereunder. So that particular provision is section 185, which is not mentioned in a standard book, but I search out that particular information on Google, so I find that information which is that particular section or that provision known as section 185 or section 185(1). So after taking the information about that particular provision, which all particular point comes under that particular section 185, so we have to understand each and every aspect about prohibition under section 185. So first we have to take some information about prohibitions on loan or guarantee. So no company shall directly or indirectly advance any loan or give any guarantee in connection with any loan taken by some person. So now we consider that particular some persons in particular manner. So first person or first considering person who comes under the prohibited list, that is to any of the directors or any of director of lending company. So first person of prohibiting list is director of lending company. Then second, to any director of its holding company. Then third, to any partner or relative of any such directors. Then any firm in which any such director or relative is a partner. Then any private company or of which any such director is a director or member. Then next point, any body corporate at whose general meeting any such director or directors control not less than 25% of the total voting power. So all those persons comes under the prohibited persons for taking loan or guarantee by the company. So after prohibition on loan or guarantee, we should notate one point about that particular list is not only for taking loan, but it is applicable for for guarantee. Means company can't take the guarantee of that prohibited persons or that particular subsidiary company, or what I can say, that particular associate company. Means that particular one company can't can't give securities for hypothecation or for guarantee, or can't give the loan for that particular prohibited persons or holding company or associated company or any person who belongs to that holding subsidiary or associate company. So after considering or understanding the list of prohibited person under prohibition on loans or guarantee, we have to move towards the exceptional cases. So first, and that exceptional cases, on that exceptional cases, that terms of prohibition shall not be applied. So first exceptional case is in case a company gives any loan to MD, means managing director, or whole-time director as a part of condition of service extended by the company to all its employee, or in pursuant to any scheme approved by the members by a special resolution. Means first exceptional case is in prohibition list. First point we had understand, that is to any director of lending company. So any director, means the term any director considering the whole-time director also, MD means managing director also, but in exceptional cases one term is for MD or WTD, and that term or that condition is if company applied that scheme for any employee or each and every employee of company. So at that time MD and WTD also considering that particular list of all employees, and at that time the company shall give the loan or take a guarantee of that MD or WTD on the part of that particular scheme, and for that particular scheme or for that process, company should pass one special resolution. Without that special resolution, company can't go through with that exceptional case. So after taking information about first exceptional case, we have to move towards second exceptional case, and that second exceptional case is in case of company in the ordinary course to the business provide loan or gives guarantee or securities for due payment of any loan in respect of such loans for which an interest is charged at rate not less than bank rate described by RBI. Means whatever the rate of interest described by RBI, that particular rate prescribed or described by RBI is considered in mind. Means that particular company, that rate is considered, and exceeding rate or on increasing rate, that particular company give loan to the directors or any persons on exceeding rate of interest, or give the securities or guarantee also, but that particular rate is not less than prescribed rate by RBI. Then some additional exceptional, means that first exceptional case and second exceptional case comes under the Amendment of Companies Act 2013, but after the Amendment of Companies Act 2015, some another or additional cases also add in the exceptional cases or list of exceptional cases. So third exceptional case is any loan made by a holding company to its wholly owned subsidiary company, or any guarantee given or security provided by the holding company in respect of any loan made to its wholly owned subsidiary company. Means at that time the when holding company give the loan or taking a guarantee for subsidiary company, means at that time what point you have to remember, and that particular point is when subsidiary company go to the financial institution for taking a loan, at that time holding company provide their securities for guarantee of that particular subsidiary company. At that time financial institution provide loan to the subsidiary company. So that is also one exceptional case loan for comes under in point of loans to directors. So after that exceptional cases, now we consider or understand the punishment provision point in comes under the loans to directors. So first provision or first point for punishment is sometimes a loan in advance or a guarantee is given to securities provided in contravention of above provisions. What provisions we learn over here in part of prohibition or in part of exceptional cases. So sometimes contravention come in that particular provisions. At that time, in such a case, the company shall be punishable with the fine. So what is the amount of that particular fine? Which shall not less than 5 lakh and not extended from 25 lakh. Means that punishment amount or punishable amount is 5 lakh to 25 lakh. Or if any person find guilty on that particular process, so for that particular person also some punishable provision or punishment provision are applied over there or consider over there. So first provision for that particular guilty person or officer or key managerial person, means any officer find guilty on that particular process, or director or key managerial person, means KMP find guilty on that particular process. At that time the imprisonment of 6 months is first punishable provision, or the fine of 5 lakh up to 5 lakh to 25 lakh for, means same amount for company and same amount for guilty person also. So all those things or all those punishable or punishment provision comes under the point punishment. So students, in today's lecture we have taken the information about loans to director. Comes under in that particular main point loans to director, I explained the first point prohibition on loan or securities or guarantees, and then I explain the exceptional cases and punishment also. I hope this is all clear. This all points is clear for you, and this is also usable for you. So thank you.